Oh, yeah. So, nakita mo sa likod to, yes, this is called ray tracing. So, ano nga ba yung ray tracing? Parang ganito. Yeah, parang ganito. So, let's make this simple. Yung ray tracing ay isang graphics rendering na nag-manipulate ng behavior ng ilaw. Yung reflection ng tubig, ilaw ng sun, and yung pang-ilaw. So, basically, parang life yung graphics. So, na-curious ako. So, nilalaro ko yung Arena Breakout CN version sa iQOO 13 ko, which supports ray tracing yung Snapdragon 8 Elite. Because yung Snapdragon 8 Elite has a dedicated hardware for ray tracing located sa Adreno GPU niya. Yung ray tracing sa mobile was introduced noong 2022. Basically, yung ray tracing na yon wasn't ready yet. Kasi wala pang mobile game sa may ray tracing. The first phones na naka-introduce ng ray tracing was no other than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 onwards and then the Dimensity 9200 Plus onwards. And of course, yung mga games na lumabas ng ray tracing is konti-konti pa lang, like for example yung Justice Mobile and then sa nilalaro kong Arena Breakout and then sa Car X3. So yun lang, baka may natutunan kayo sa akin. So this is Tech Dolphin or Dolphin Bacolod. Stay awesome. If any more questions, just comment down below.